Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a busy day today, as it should. It's about 90 today. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at Soak City. Not Soak City, summer day. We're here late actually. Rope drop, but there was a little bit of traffic, and we're supposed to be in the front of the line, but this is considered late for us. Rope drop in the back of the line of the rope drop. We're gonna set up camp over there at the Soak City Fun House. See that? Right there. Welcome back to the fun.
Back to the fun.
There they are. There's Nona. Good job. Let's do it. It's hot. Miguel and Mia tagged along today. Let me check out your shorts. Are you ready for the water? Oh, Jurassic World. Nice. It's 9:44 right now.
Okay, let's go.
Damn, it was a mission to get benches. Those got filled up real quick. I think there's some good shade over here by the wave pool. We're in the sun over there, but we got our benches. We're gonna do the slide, and then we're gonna go get some food because it's a busy day today. Let's do it. Zero wait time. Let's go. We're literally next, but I can't record. Sorry, my guys. We just did 2 slides, one with the tubing, the lifesaver thing, and one just a slide by ourselves. I like with the tube. What's it called? The lifesaver. That one's better. The one on the right, yeah, water gets in your nose. This one's more chill and fun. This one on the right, on the left. Those tubes, those are better. And mine was dark, pitch dark, pitch. Oh man, it was awesome. All right, good job, my guys. Time to get our food at Longboards Grill. Thank you for holding the door, my guy. Oh, they have food ready as always. Knott's is awesome with wet floor after we went in. Knott's is awesome. Fried chicken, cheeseburger, fish and chips.
Big cookie, my
Damn. Onion rings. What? Our big fat cakey. Oh, they have the chicken sandwich now. Mushroom close up. The best. Alright, we got our food. We went all out because it's early. We don't want to go make line anymore. Here's mine. And I get 1 fish. You. Let's try it.
Cookie.
And a cookie, yeah. Burger looks decent and fresh. Let's try this mac. You know it's gonna be good.
No. What's this?
The patty is slightly pink, so I'm worried. I'm gonna eat it. These fish and chips pieces are huge. They're massive. You get 2 of them. A little thin, but for theme park food, it's good. We put some lemon. Got some seeds on there. Looks like I'm full. I have leftovers.
Same here.
Good job. You got a big cakey that I need to tax on you.
Yep.
The middle is super thick.
Yeah.
And it's really big cookie. Let's take a big old bite. For a theme park, food was good.
No.
And Nona says there's no tartar sauce. And this is why you bring water shoes. Look at this. You're gonna walk that? No way.
No, we're gonna go.
Water shoes. This is our setup right here. Ooh, Universal. Look at that. And we got Mickey Mouse, Jurassic World, Lakers. Where's Nana? There you are. There. There's Javi House. Javi House. House of Javi. Oh, the waves are pretty strong right now here at the beach. Oh, my guy is ready.
Yeah.
Dope. Are those new goggles? No, they look dope. That's pretty cool. We're in the lazy river. And we're watching the clock tower over there. Super cool. What's up, Javi House? There's Maya. And Egil. Where's Brandon? I think Brandon got lost. I see Nona. There she is. I see Brandon. He's wearing a red vest. Green t-shirt. There's Nona. Here's Mia. She looks like me? Yeah, she looks like me.
Oh, and a bunch of people.
Hey, let's see one of these hot dogs coming down.
And have you guys exit the water quick?
Portside Pizza is packed. That's why you gotta eat early. Next stop, Funhouse. There goes Javi House. Whee! Hey! Go, Brandon. There he goes. I miss Mia. Where's Bro? Bro's cooked over there. Ah! Yeah, that was fun. This is a family restroom? Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. They're pretty clean. Looks like there's some sections where it looks like there's a park you could set up camp. They bring their own little wagons and umbrellas and whatnot over there. Look at that. It's not the only side where you could do that. There's like, I've seen like 4 different sections. What do you mean there's a big old line to get food? Oh well, I already ate. Haha. Oh, I might want a snack by now though, right? Oh wait, I bought extra, so I have leftovers. No locker for us, but we're heading out. Nona wants to change. Her and Brandon are gonna change at the changing room over here. I'm gonna go like this. I'm halfway dry. Just gonna sit on my towel. Ah, I didn't know they had a picture of me. Oh, bros are cooked. Big old line. I see a cop car. Looks pretty clean. Keeping this place safe. Parking lot is cooking, but I'm wet. That Jeep Gladiator, Chafa, underpowered. Someone forgot their cerveza on top. It's a Pacific. Yep. Someone's driving drunk. Big V8. No car payment. That's a win. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do. Comment if you like. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sweetie bears. No, bye.
Oh, bye.
Good job. Let's get out of here. Bro's cooked.